In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your screen on Windows 10. Screen recording can be incredibly useful whether you're creating tutorials, capturing gameplay, or simply saving a video of your screen for work purposes. Now, let's dive directly into how you can start recording your screen without additional complications. First off, one of the easiest ways to record your screen on Windows 10 is by using a built-in tool that many are unaware even exists. This tool is called the Xbox Game Bar. To access it, start by going to the search bar on your Windows 10 computer. Here, you simply need to type Game Bar or Xbox Game Bar. You should see the option pop up almost right away. Once you click it, the Xbox Game Bar will launch. Now, with the Game Bar open, you have a range of recording options at your fingertips. This built-in application allows you to not only record your screen, but also take screenshots and even capture the last few moments of what you've been doing, making it quite versatile. To begin recording, simply look for the record button, usually represented by a small circular icon. Clicking this will start recording the currently active window on your screen. If you wish to capture audio alongside your video, make sure to adjust the settings to include system sounds or your microphone input as well. This ensures that any commentary or additional sounds you wish to include are captured correctly. Would you prefer to edit your videos further or include more advanced features? In such scenarios, third-party applications might be the best option for you. Windows 10 supports many such apps, including OBS Studio, Bandicam, and Loom. Each of these programs offers various features, from customizable overlays to more in-depth editing tools, which can provide a more tailored recording experience. Remember, while the Xbox Game Bar is convenient and quick for basic recordings, applications like OBS Studio are fantastic for more professional needs. OBS, for instance, is widely used by game streamers due to its robust suite of features and extensive customization options. In summary, recording your screen on Windows 10 doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the Xbox Game Bar, you have a built-in solution ready to go, and for those needing more options, third-party apps provide additional flexibility. Choose the tool that best fits your specific requirements. I hope this guide has proven helpful and you're now equipped to create stellar recordings with ease. Feel free to explore these tools and find what works best for you. Thank you for tuning in and happy recording.